to this is Chinese Drum Spring Festival. Brisa celebrates today Chinese New Year opening, and you will see that later the dance drum. Dance dragon and rice. You see here iguana. It's a live iguana. You see the blue. Sleeping this orange iguana. And there is a albino snakes in the box. Oh my god.
Baba naman eh.
The girl. She is live snake. A live snake. And you're gonna have a selfie here. Photo booth. Davao Chunghai. Dito may photo booth. Photo booth. You can visit here. Davao Chunghai School. Chinese school. Fokusoy. For me, it's a year of the house. So, celebrate Spring Festival. Chinese Spring Festival. Celebrate Spring Festival. Big hearted and she's screaming with energy, confidence, and situation. Year of the rabbit. Look at this beautiful stage. Look at us and the travel. You wanna hear the travel? She's playing. Oh, look. Oh, she's playing the travel. Welcome Chinese New Year.
Hindi yung mag-practice na
Oh, marunong siya drum. She can do drum. I gotta try. Chinese drum. Year of the Tiger. This year is Year of the Horse. Fox. I don't know what is the Year of the Horse here. Yes. Year is the Year of the Horse. I am the Year of the Horse. It's my year. This year I go to strong love of freedom and practice. The school is Davao's Chinese school. The boy is oh, hi. Sabihin mo hi. Hi, I'm vlogging. Look at this snake. Guys, oh, it's alive. Wow. Thanks for watching.